Okay. This is before and this is after. Looks so good. I just buy old mugs. Maybe this 18 or 19 size for 400 real. This buy for 400. Hello. This is the Toyota mugs that I find in Haraj. They call it Haraj here in Saudi Arabia because that place you can buy a second hand anything if you want, clothes or bags, shoes or tools, and there's a new also. Now I'll just show you which sanding paper that I will use. It's 220 grit, 400 grit, and 1000 grit for top finishing smooth process. So let's get started for 220 grit. Now I will spray a 70% alcohol for a first coat of chrome to clean the area with excess oil and dirt. The purpose of alcohol is to make dry the surface once we are painting the marks. We are now done by cleaning of alcohol our project. And now I will turn around these mags and put paper up the back to avoid the paint splash pass through to avoid our project to be messy. We will start now our first coat by painting a chrome color. Remember, always paint even all the spoke so at least we can avoid the spray paint more thicker because we will do the second coat after this. So now this is the first coat. So you will sit on for 5 minutes to 10 minutes and we will make again for second coat. Now for second coat. So now second coat is finished. So we will go next and sit in for the next. We will take another one. Now, this is the last piece of our mugs. This is my project that I need to show you the process. I have already finished painting the three pieces of this, and now I will show you one of our finished product for you to get excited on our job well done. This is our finished product. I put a tape on the top of all these spokes after painting of silver chrome, and all of the sides I painted of black. And now I will show you what I did, how the mugs looks good like this. So we'll just stand by it. I will just finish the last part of our mugs. So this is our last part of the mugs. We will put a paper tape on every spokes of these mags, and I will show you how. And now, this is our cutter and a paper tape. So be careful by using always the cutter. So always use a paper tape. Now, we will start cover a paper tape on the top of all these spokes. Then, we will follow the pattern of these spokes to cover and painted a black all of the sidings. We are almost done by covering a paper tape the spokes. After this, we will start painting the black color. Now, before we get started, we need to use N95 mask so at least we are not be able to be suffocated once we are painting the whole mugs until we top coat and we finish our painting. So let's get started. This is our first coat of black. Then we will spray one spoke at a time so at least we can equally apply the paint each side of the mugs. Then we will let this dry for 10 minutes for second coat. Now 10 minutes is done. So we will now second coat it. We are now done for black paint. Now let me show you how we will remove this paper tape after 20 minutes once this is dry. 20 minutes is done, we will remove the paper tape around the mugs to reveal the color combination of black and silver chrome. But we will do it carefully to remove the tape each spokes to avoid the paint from damage. Remember, remove one by one spoke so at least we can avoid to damage our paint. So I'm so excited to see these four mugs. Again, this is the last part of our spraying of 70% alcohol to avoid the oil and dirt excess. So this is for the top clear coat purposes. Now, this is the last stage for our top clear coat. See how it looks our mug's restoration. Really looks so good. Even though we are not an expert, but we're done properly. So if you really like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber, please consider yourself a subscriber too. So this is Home Car Care. Thanks for watching. Bye.